Dear students, we will study about importance of business model in the first class. Here we'll study why business model is important, as well as we'll study about the types of business model also. The importance of business model, if you see, is first of all, a good business model gives the company a competitive edge in the industry. When there are a lot of competition in the industry, in one industry there is a lot of competition, there are so many competitors are there. When you have a good business model, that gives you a competitive edge in the industry. You can at least try to overcome the competition, or you can at least try to make some strategies for the competition. Those all things are very important for a business model. A strong business model provides the company good reputation in the marketplace, encouraging the investors to remain invested in the company. So when there is a strong business model, it generally provides the company with good reputation. Right, a reputation building will happen of a company, and in marketplace it encourages the investors to remain in the invested in the company. It does not make the investors to go out of the company. It remains, it encourages them, it motivates the investors to get in the company or to invest in the company. Similarly, making the business model strong leads to an ongoing business profit, leading to increase in cash reserves and new investments. So when there is a strong business model, it already makes your business ongoing, right? There will be ongoing business profit, right? And when there is ongoing business profit, it leads to increase in cash reserve. There will be increase in the reserve, that in form of cash, as well as new investments. You will find a new kind of investments in the company, cash reserves in the company. So due to what? Due to a good or a strong business model. And proven business model brings a financial stability in the organization. If the business model is proven, or if it is being used by earlier by you, and if it is proved as successful, that kind of business model is going to bring a better financial stability in the organization. And due to the good financial stability, ultimately we'll find that the organization or a company will also have a good stability in the market. So what are the types of business model? There are different types. The first important type is B2B business model, which is called as business to business models. So here, when the dealing or the transaction takes place between two companies or the businesses, then this type of business model is known as business to business model. Here, almost they are not dealing with the customers. Majority of the time, they deal with one business to other business. So such model, we call it as business to business model. It has good market predictability and more market stability. Since under B2B sales is made in bulk amount, this model leads to lower cost for the business, because one business is supplying to other business, where the other business is generally going to take it at a bulk amount. They don't take as a retailer, they don't take in a small quantity. So when they are going to take in a bulk amount, ultimately there will be low cost for the seller also, right? So there will be a low cost for the business. The best example of this type of business model in India is India Mart, where wholesale B2B market takes place. It offers millions of product to its customers, which includes consumer, electronic, machinery, apparel, and many more, where generally it is like for a B2B customers, right? A wholesale B2B marketplace. Second type of a model is business to consumer model. So here in this module, that refers to a businesses that sells their services to the product directly to the consumer, who are the end user of the product or services, right? They are the end user. To those end user, your business is going to sell the goods or services, they are going to render it. So that kind of model, we call it as business to consumer model. There is an ongoing demand for the product, as it is provides the essential items, thus eliminates the risk of fluctuation in demand, and helps in maintaining consistency in business. Since direct contact is there with the customers, so information is shared with them directly and easily, right? We have a direct relationship with the customer, so it eliminates the different kind of things like fluctuation in demands or maintaining the consistency in the business or various kind of things. Similarly, direct contact will lead to we can directly meet the customer, and information sharing about the product or a business can directly happen, and it will be very easy for a business. Customers are given product at a lower price compared to its competitors for the business to run smoothly. And we can see here, we can understand the market and the competitors, and if the competitor are selling at some price, we can try to sell at the lower price directly to the customers, because directly we're dealing with the customers, we are not like supplying to some businesses and other places. Third type of model is subscription based model. So here, any application based business or a software companies have subscription based business models. They offer their product as a one time purchase. In return, company earns monthly or annual revenues. Okay, so the subscription will be made, and one time a product will be sold to you, and after that monthly or annual revenue has to be paid. So such kind of model is called as subscription based model. This type of business model allows the company to earn regular income by giving the client the opportunity to pay for the cost of purchase in 12 equal payments, rather asking them to pay the wholesome amount at one go. Like, instead of paying at one slot, it will tell the clients or customers to pay the amount in 12 equal or any kind of like 5 or 6 equal in payments. They will ask them to pay in that way. So when they pay in that kind of payment, that involves subscription based model. One of the leading example is InfoEdge for this type of business model, right, where they try to collect the payments from the customers or clients in different equal payments method. Next is on demand business model. It is the most recent form of the model, which is made out on the need by the answering immediately. And that this type of business model is prepared in such a way where all the questions will be answered by just a click of a button in seconds, right? The customers and the clients, they are having so much of questions, and all the questions will be answered by the company by just a click of a button in some seconds. It is a very much convenient and easy for customers, as even before customers have visited the particular city, they get their hotels or a place booked, right? They can search about various websites, they can search about various things, and then they are going to have see the rating and other things. For example, Make My Trip is there, which allows the customer to plan the holidays and make the booking in advance. So such kind of business model, where they give you some kind of rating, they will show you rating, they will show you customers comment, they will show you feedbacks, and then after that you can plan for your holidays, you can plan about your convenience. So such kind of business model, on demand business model, as per the customer's demand, that shows you all the things are also existing in the market nowadays.